Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second. Yes, it's the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 27th, 2021. Yes, it's weekend, and the second Sudoku I will solve is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. Let me see which number it will be. 3746. Before I start, I always count the printed. No, not printed digits. Let me see what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Oh, oh. Let me position the camera. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Oh my. Come on. Yeah. Need to hold on. This tripod is well, we have a double between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Then I need to, well, we have here between an O and a 1, there's with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So the first O, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in the last column, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. One, two, double one, here no, there no. Well. Double O, here one, there one. Overlooked. Double one, here no, there no. Overlooked again here. Well. Overlooked. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah, I think I need to compare now. But which? This one I cannot compare. 10. This one I cannot compare. Well, can I compare the columns? No, I cannot compare the columns. Well. Double one here. It's only this one. 1001. Interesting. 101 then. No, here 101, 010. Should be this one then. 10. This row and the last row, 1 empty box, we need to switch these two digits, otherwise we have identical rows. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Okay. Then I think I need to compare again. How about this row and that row. 1 empty box, 1 empty box. So we need to switch this digit and that digit. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, with 2 comparings. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. Yes, a very, very interesting one. This one, tectonic, with only 9 given numbers. See you then. Bye-bye for now.